Greetings, my name is Ryan. I'm a solutions architect with Amazon Web Services. Joining me here today is Greg from IBM. Greg, say hi.
Hey everybody, Greg Nelson, solutions architect with IBM. And I am here to talk today about planning analytics and what IBM is doing in terms of agentic AI enhancements to our planning analytics solution.
Greg, thank you for joining me. A lot of customers have been using planning analytics for a very long time. Most of the customers I work with are, they're bringing those investments to AWS. They're running that as the SaaS version of PA via the AWS marketplace. Very quickly run me through, what is PA, and then let's jump into the new PA assistant and what is happening in that agentic space.
Absolutely. So planning analytics at its core is an enterprise performance management solution. So think of it as a tool or set of tools that are used across the spectrum for budgeting, forecasting, planning, and reporting. So that's planning analytics at the top level.
As we've had it for many, many years,
Exactly.
Obviously with a lot of iterations.
Exactly.
Now, we've had AI inside planning analytics for a very, very long time. What is the assistant and what does it bring that is net new and shiny?
Sure. So the planning analytics assistant is an add-on to planning analytics, and it offers users across the organization multiple capabilities. So the first of which is natural language analysis. So think about this as eliminating the need to write any custom code as it pertains to natural language interaction. And then the second capability is automated insights. So that provides the ability to automatically generate and provide insights, recommendations, and scenario comparisons. And then thirdly, we've got content creation. And content creation gives the ability to analyze and copy insights into reports and documents. That's one example. And then lastly, automated task execution. So the ability to offload repetitive tasks such as month-end close, data updates, or model refreshes.
And all of this is out of the box from the assistant. There's no requirement for the customer to sort of build this net new.
Correct.
Simply consume.
Correct.
A little bit of customization, I'm assuming, where you can tweak it to your organization's requirements.
Yes, and in fact, as we dive deeper into this conversation, I can talk more about that customization as it pertains to the agentic AI capabilities.
Perfect. Let's talk about personas that would likely be utilizing these components. Who is the assistant ultimately geared towards?
Yeah, really think about business leaders, for example, decision owners, and then of course knowledge workers. So those are probably the three key buckets I would put these personas into.
Knowledge workers and decision owners.
Decision owners, correct.
Now you slightly alluded to this. There seems to be the ability for customers to create their own sort of customized assistants and bring them in here. And is there a future roadmap or a direction that planning analytics is going? And what does that look like?
Yes, absolutely. So, Ryan, we're now in the era of AI agents, conversational interfaces, and intelligent automation converging. And so IBM's solution, Watsonx Orchestrate, which is basically our agentic AI toolkit used for building, running, and managing agents, that sits at the center of this transformation. So, to answer your question directly, a newly launched feature of Planning Analytics Assistant is integration with Watsonx Orchestrate. So there will ultimately be out-of-the-box agents that are designed for functions such as sales, procurement, and HR. And these pre-built agents can be used directly to automate workflows, perform tasks using natural language, or they can be customized for your specific and unique business needs.
So these are not agents that are in existence now. They're what customers can look forward to in the future, coming through the integration with Planning Analytics and Watsonx, as well as if the customers have Watsonx or Orchestrate in their empire, they can actually go and use that to create their own custom agents and bring them into the product as well. I think that is a very, very exciting and compelling intersection between two different products, being the Watson family and Planning Analytics. The agent, the PA assistant, you mentioned it's an add-on. So what does that translate to for customers who are already Planning Analytics customers? Is that as simple as reach out to a IBM seller and you buy an agent, or how does that work?
Yeah, so I would definitely suggest reaching out to your IBM seller, talking to them about your needs as it pertains to Planning Analytics Assistant, and they can help in terms of licensing, how to get access, things of that nature. But yeah, it's definitely a feature I'm very excited about. And I mean, basically, what we've talked about here is that we're moving beyond just assistance, right? We're allowing Planning Analytics to think and act, automating tasks, integrating domain knowledge, and enabling contextual decision making. So again, I'm very excited about what's to come in terms of the Agentic AI capabilities integrated with Planning Analytics.
Yeah, very much the case. Greg, thank you very much for joining me. As always, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks so much. Pleasure to be here.
And thank you for joining us.
Thank you.